Most SUVs are financial disasters waiting to happen. But I found 9 that owners drive for decades without breaking the bank. Here's the crazy part. One SUV on this list regularly hits 500,000 miles. Another saves you thousands on insurance every single year. And 2 popular SUVs will bankrupt you faster than a Vegas casino. Look, I've spent 15 years in this industry. I've seen families lose their life savings on the wrong SUV. And I've watched smart buyers drive the same car for 2 decades. The difference? They knew what I'm about to show you. Real data. Real owners. Real mile counts. Not marketing fluff from dealerships. Hit that subscribe button right now, because this channel saves you money, not costs you money. Number 9. Subaru Outback. The SUV that invented the crossover. Back in the 90s, wagons were boring. Subaru said, "Hold my coffee." Slapped on rugged cladding, added all-wheel drive. Suddenly, families had a snow-eating, trail-crushing machine. Here's what blows my mind. Most Outbacks sail past 200,000 miles like it's nothing. I've personally seen these hit 300,000. Mechanics hate them because they never break down. Insurance companies love them. Top safety, Pick Plus rating. Lower premiums every single month. The 2020 model year, sweet spot. Modern tech, bulletproof reliability. Used price that won't destroy your retirement. But wait until you see what's coming. Number 8. Toyota RAV4. America's best-selling SUV. Not by accident, by engineering. Older RAV4s cross 300,000 miles without a single major repair. I've seen 2010 models still running on their original everything. But here's the financial secret. RAV4s hold value like gold bars. Used models sell for almost as much as brand new rivals. That's not a car. That's a savings account with wheels. Number 7. Acura RDX, the most underrated luxury SUV in America. While everyone chases BMW and Mercedes, the RDX delivers the same experience for half the cost. Here's the secret they don't want you to know. From 2013 to 2018, it shared Honda Pilot guts. Bulletproof 3.5-liter V6, proven 6-speed automatic, wrapped in luxury leather and premium sound. It's basically a Honda Pilot in a tuxedo. But here's where it gets insane. RDX owners hit 150,000 miles with routine maintenance only. Try that with a BMW X3. You'll get a $5,000 transmission bill for your trouble. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. This might surprise you. A decade ago, Hyundai was a joke. Today, game changer. 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Translation: even if something breaks, you don't pay. Real owners cruise past 200,000 miles. Oil changes, brakes, tires, done. Number 5. Lexus LX, the armored tank of luxury. Underneath the leather, Toyota Land Cruiser bones. These machines hit 400,000 to 500,000 miles. In Africa and the Middle East, some crack 1,000,000 miles. While a Mercedes G-Wagon hits you with $2,500 repairs. The 60 keeps going with basic service. Depreciation? What depreciation? Used LX models command staggering prices. Because once you buy one, you may never need another SUV, ever. If you're loving this list, smash that like button. It actually helps the channel grow. And trust me, the next pick flips everything you know about Japanese engineering. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. Proof you don't choose between style and reliability. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances. The CX-5 drives like a car you actually want. Sharp handling, sporty looks, still crosses 200,000 miles. Here's what I love: no CVT transmission. Real 6-speed automatic that's smoother and more reliable. That alone saves thousands in repair bills. RepairPal gives it 4.5 out of 5 reliability. Real owners back that up. Number 3. Subaru Forester. Consumer Reports gave it 98 out of 100 reliability. That's basically perfect. But wait, what about CVT problems? Here's the truth. Subaru fixed it. Change the fluid every 30,000 miles. Avoid the horror stories. Keep it running for decades. Owners push Foresters past 200,000 miles routinely. Loyal following means insane resale values. Number 2. Honda CR-V, the SUV that knocked the RAV4 off its throne. Better handling, better safety features, better fuel economy, 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the shocker. Some second-generation CR-Vs from the early 2000s are hitting 500,000 miles. 500,000 miles of family road trips, without ever needing a major rebuild. Few vehicles on Earth can claim that. Number 1. Honda HR-V, the little giant. Don't let the size fool you. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with almost no major repairs. 34 miles per gallon highway. Honda's legendary engineering in a compact package. Insurance companies love it. Low repair costs keep premiums down. Most budget-friendly SUV to own long-term. Holds resale value like it's CR-V big brother. But now, the dark side. 2 SUVs you must avoid. Both might surprise you. Bonus pick to avoid: Jeep Wrangler. I know, it's iconic. But iconic doesn't mean reliable. Recent Wranglers are plagued with problems: electrical issues, oil leaks, suspension failures, and the infamous death wobble, where the whole Jeep shakes violently after hitting a bump. Not exactly confidence-inspiring in an off-roader. Struggled in crash tests. Marginal IIHS ratings. Insurance companies know this. Sky-high premiums compared to dependable SUVs. Unless you love fixing cars instead of driving them, leave the Wrangler at the dealership. Ford Explorer, especially the 2010s models. On paper, perfect family hauler, roomy, stylish. Packed with tech. Under the hood, disaster. Transmission failures everywhere, jerky shifts, hesitation, complete breakdowns before 100,000. Repairs cost $3,000 or more. Even replacements weren't permanent fixes. Water pump leaks, electrical glitches, recalls. The Explorer became more headache than helper. Higher insurance premiums from claim rates. Buy the wrong year. You'll spend more time at the shop than behind the wheel. Here's the bottom line. The smartest SUV isn't the cheapest. It's not the flashiest. It's the one that stays out of the repair shop. Protects you with safety ratings. Keeps insurance costs low. Holds value for decades. Think about it. A reliable SUV saves tens of thousands over its lifetime. Lower repairs. Fewer breakdowns. Cheaper insurance. Stronger resale. Meanwhile, an unreliable SUV doesn't just drain your bank account. It drains your time, your patience, your confidence. The money you save on one of these dependable SUVs could cover the down payment on your next car, or even buy it outright. Driving the right SUV is like investing in your future. It pays you back year after year, mile after mile. Plus, owning a vehicle you trust changes how you live. No more worrying if your car will start. No fear about surprise repair bills. Freedom to take that family road trip. Freedom to drive comfortably into retirement. That's real peace of mind. So which SUV would you trust for the next 20 years? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for insider car tips. The kind that save you money, protect your investment, help you buy smart so you never worry about surprise bills again. Hit that notification bell, because the next video reveals the 5 cars you should never buy used. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.